Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm Parishmail, and if you don't already know what this video is about, let me give you a preview. In this video I will be sharing with you guys what led me on this fun journey. I will also be sharing with you a whole my experience and my overall conclusion and my theory. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I shared my experience with purchasing a ring light on AliExpress, and my whole situation with the customs and how they delayed everything, and me leading to believe that if I hadn't filed a complaint, an official complaint with Pakistan Post, I might not have even received my parcel, because I have ordered from AliExpress before and my parcels have gone missing all the time. So where do our parcels go? A friend of mine tagged me in a post, and a page had shared this post in which it was a clear picture of a guy selling packed and closed AliExpress parcels at a stall in Sunday Bazaar. And the picture clearly stated that our parcels are going there and being sold there, and all our lost parcels are being sold there. So I got really curious, and well, it had a stall name and everything, so I wanted to go and see for myself what all of this was about. So I hopped on and we went to the next Sunday Bazaar, and luckily this was happening in Islamabad Rawalpindi, so I could easily go. And when we went to the Islamabad one, it was stall F068. I will be sure to mention this here on the screen in just to be sure. I found out that a person had already previously come there to make a video or something, or to cover it, or someone had taken a GPO officer or a custom officer there, and to check things out and to see if if our missing parcels really are being sold there. Turns out that they weren't being sold there. At least our Pakistani parcels weren't being sold there. The parcels were other countries' parcels, but the officer had apparently told them to still keep the items that were in the parcels open. Don't keep the parcels as it is, just open them up and then sell them. So when we went there, the parcels were already opened, and the whole charm was gone. But thankfully I was talking to them, and they were open to us filming and asking them questions.
ये स्टॉल किसका? ये स्टॉल किसका? आपके स्टॉल के बारे में हमने बहुत सुना था, लेकिन ये नज़र नहीं आया जो हमने देखा था।
थे वो दूसरी शॉप पे शिफ्ट किए हैं।
कहाँ है?
सदर में गेट चौक।
उसमें पार्सल ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं?
पैकिंग में।
मुझे वो चीज़ एक्सप्लोर करनी है। तो यहाँ से क्यों शिफ्ट कर दिया?
यहाँ से ख़त्म हो गया था ना, यहाँ का स्टॉक ख़त्म हो गया था।
कहाँ है?
वहाँ स्टॉक काफ़ी बड़ा हो गया।
स्टोर कहाँ गया
वो दे दी उन्होंने।
चौक से लेफ्ट हो जाओ, बिजली ढक्कन आएगा। तब तक जो है ना बिजली का बड़ा ढक्कन ख़त्म होता है ना, वो उधर से गली एक नीचे उतरता है। जब नीचे उतरेगा ना, 4-5 दुकानें छोड़ेगा, एक दुकान आयान ट्रेडर्स के नाम। अभी हम वो वापस उसका एड्रेस चढ़ाएंगे। अभी लगा हुआ पता दुकान का एड्रेस।
मरीन हसन वो जो गोल मंडी के साथ है।
वहीं से
कहने की दुकान है।
तो आप लोगों के पास कैसे आते हैं पार्सल?
लॉट आती है ना, कंटेनर होते हैं दूसरे। तो ये ऐसे होता है कस्टम रेट्स में कुछ चीज़ें जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग होती है वो एड्रेस कई दफ़ा हो जाते हैं, मिस हो जाते हैं, ये चीज़ें नहीं जाती, कलेक्ट नहीं करते कस्टमर ना, वो काफ़ी बाउंड हो जाते हैं स्टॉक। वो फिर ये लॉट बना के कंटेनर्स में ले जाते हैं।
तो ये तो फिर लोगों की प्रॉपर्टी हुई ना?
लोगों की तो है, लेकिन अब लोगों के पास वो वहाँ से तो कलेक्ट नहीं हुआ। अब मीन्स कि मैंने ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की है, मैं एड्रेस देता हूँ, मैं वापस कॉन्टेक्ट करता नहीं उनके साथ कि ये चीज़ मुझे चाहिए नहीं चाहिए। वो पार्सल जो होते हैं ना, वो कलेक्ट हो जाते हैं एक जगह पे, चैरिटीज़ वाले क्लोज कर देते हैं।
अच्छा,
वो फिर कंप्लीट स्टॉक क्लोज होकर ना वो कंटेनर्स में जा
And pigments, which should not be used. They're nail pigments, but they don't know what it is. So.
चार्जिंग नहीं है, बिल्कुल खत्म नहीं है। लोग चेक करते रहते हैं ना।
मेरी बात है, आपको पता भी है कि आधी चीजें क्या है?
नहीं समझ आ रहा।
समझ आ जाती है, आप जैसे कस्टमर है हमें बता आगे जाते हैं।
ये बड़ी खतरनाक चीजें हैं, कुछ चीजें में से। ये खासतौर पर बहुत खतरनाक है।
जी अब हमने सामने रखा हुआ, जिसको समझ आती है ना वो ले जाते हैं। हम सिर्फ यही है ना, अपने वो अंदाजे से रेट बताना होता है।
आप रेट भी ज़्यादा बता रहे हैं कुछ चीज़ों का।
रेट ज़्यादा नहीं, हम पहले नेट पे चेक कर लेते हैं रेट कितना है क्या इसका।
The guy over there told us that they had a shop in Sadar Rawalpindi with the packed parcels present over there. So if I wanted, I could go there and get stuff from there as well. But I wish he would have told me this earlier, because I had already bought stuff from him. And I was like, I'm here, let's at least go through these things and see if we can find something useful. Maybe that could be the video, if we can find something useful from people's lost AliExpress parcels that are now being sold here. The curiosity was just coming back to me again and again of whether those parcels really were ours, whether they are other countries, and how they ended up here. So after a few days, I went to the Sadar Rawalpindi shop, and once again they were really welcoming, and they weren't they didn't mind us filming and let us do whatever we wanted. So we were like, okay, let's play a game. The parcels were there and we were sorting through all of them, and a lot of them were saying jewelry. So we wanted to see if we could find something different and of some use, and we played a game. Me and my sister went there and we obviously filmed it, and we had 5 minutes to pick out 5 random parcels. We got 10 parcels total, and you can see what we got in the parcels later on in the video. The game was especially very fun for us to film, just because it was really random, and because you can never be sure what is inside AliExpress parcels. Why? Because sometimes to help you out, the AliExpress people will make a guess of what won't cost us customs, and they will change the name of the item on the parcel. So for example, on the parcel it would be jewelry, but inside it could easily be something else, literally anything else. And that is exactly what happened. Okay, so we are gonna start with this pile, and this is the pile that we got from the Sunday stall, and we still saw some really interesting stuff over there and decided to raid through it and see if we can find something of use, or something different that we can put in a haul and show you guys. So let's start. Okay, so first up we have this and it's this little toy dog that bounces and walks and stuff. It has pretty scary eyes, so I don't know if Minha will like it, but still. Then we have this, which is what?
Charging cable.
Okay, so we have this cable as well, and it's a super long charging cable. I didn't know it was this long, and he wanted to get it, and I didn't understand why. But when he opened it,
it's 9 foot long.
9 feet long, seriously guys. It's such a
long.
But that is so good, because I like to use my phone while it's on charging, which you shouldn't, by the way. It's super harmful
and
for
it's braided.
It's harmful for your phone. Don't do that.
And you get this cable in the market for around 1200 rupees.
Huh, and we got it for 200.
And I checked that.
We got it for 200 rupees. So
it was a total steal.
Yep.
And it's mine.
So we got a whole pack of these. What are these?
Lens caps.
These lens caps, and there were a bunch of them, a lot of them. So that was a huge steal. And one more thing was that because the parcels were open now, so not everything was 200 rupees. So like now that they saw that some things were of like really valuable and stuff, so they did like change the prices up. Some things were like really cheap and some things were क्या कहते हैं, like a bit expensive. But if you reason with them a bit, they might like they give you a discount. So that's what we did, and we got a discount. So we got like 2600 worth of things for only 1600 rupees. So it was a steal. So that's why we went ahead and got these things anyway. So yeah, we have that. Next up we have this containers. This is another pack full of containers. They're all plastic containers, and like they're really good, you can easily use these for storage purposes or whatever you want. This is super cute. मुझे फरजान नहीं लेने दे रहा था, but I thought that Halloween is coming up, and like it would be a good thematic thing, and maybe I would like continue filming in this setup right here and put these in the background or something. But regardless, these were really cute.
Yeah, scented spices की smell आ रही है.
Spices?
Pumpkin spice की.
So okay, I can't smell anything, but that could just be me. But again, Farzan thinks these are a huge steal because he thinks that like they're sold here for more expensive. Next up, this is pretty cool. Do we have batteries?
Let me go get them.
भाग के जाओ. Okay, so he got the batteries, and let's see. So if you can't tell like what this is, these are LED lights. So they are LED bulbs, like a string of LED bulbs, an LED cable, and like they have these little clips on them. So what you can do is, they're really aesthetically pleasing, I swear. You can literally put this in your room, hang them in your room, and like like clip on Polaroids on them, and like it's so good. And I think that like
this was a steal.
It's a steal. Next up, Farzan wanted to get this. What is this?
Car mount for the mobile. A magnetic car mount.
ये क्या? क्या कर रहे तुम? What are you doing?
Magnetic air vent mount for mobile devices.
अच्छा, so this part.
This goes into the vent, I think, and no. These are the adapters that stick onto the mobile phone, and you stick them on. Like you just stick them on over here, and just put your phone onto it, and it will stay. You get two magnetic attachments with this, and this is a round one, and you get a more bigger one for a bigger phone. So what this does is you put this and you can actually like paste it on. It has this sticky tape behind it. You can paste this on the back of your phone, okay? Preferably on the back of your cover, because this might not come off, and then put this thing in the car's air vent, like the AC, and like it will like stick to it, and it will keep. Well, it's basically like a phone holder for your car. So Farzan wanted this, and it's a cool really
thing to have.
Easy to use. You could just place your phone on the car mount, and it would.
हाँ, उसको holder खोल के डालना
You wouldn't have to
retract and all.
Retract that other holders and stuff.
Okay, what else do we have? More of these. These all came in a pack. Okay, it was a 150 rupees or 200 rupees pack.
This pillow.
This pillow. Okay.
Take it out.
So I am such a I love babies, and I have a baby, and my baby already has a pillow. She didn't need another pillow, and she's actually more she's older now, so she definitely didn't need this pillow. But I got it anyways because it was cute, and we have another baby coming in March or February, so it can be used for that baby. So yay, super cute. Okay, last up, what we got was this. No one would let me get this, but I got it anyway.
It's a waste of money.
Well, everything over here we really didn't need, did we? Well,
we did.
क्या? हाँ, तो कुछ चीजें they were useful, ठीक है, but still, I mean.
Everything that I picked is useful.
अच्छा, ये टेढ़ी हो गई, लेकिन you know what this is? These are basically tinsels.
ठीक है. But what tinsels are these like, you know, fibers, and they go in your hair. But mostly like tinsels are like, you know, single threads, and they're colored and metallic colored mostly. But these are like, you know, clear fishnet kind of like fish wire kind of tinsels. But these are basically for kids, and they are giving me serious Jojo Siwa vibes. But the, you know, Jojo Siwa like has some really funky shit. So this is a hair clip, and it goes in your hair, and when you turn it on, like it turns on, these fibers turn on, and they look super cool. So well, I thought that this was a really funky thing, and I would never like think of getting it or even searching for it. So last up, this was a pack of 3. शुक्र से वो मान गया था कि 3 हैं, मतलब कि he wasn't really like, you know, agreeing to anything in the start, but then we did bargain and like insisted, so he did like, you know, bring the price down. But these were like put क्योंकि खोल के रखे हुए थे, so you know when people like shuffle around to find things that they like, चीज़ें आगे पीछे हो जाती हैं. So this is usually a pack of 3 even on AliExpress. So I found all 3 of these, and like this is such a cute color. I am always searching for accessories for my daughter. इतनी cute लग रही थी ये, and for some reason I didn't have anything in this color, even though Minha has like, you know, dresses in this color specifically. So yes, now I got something useful for my little baby as well. And like this wasn't on the stall, and you can easily find this in Pakistan, and I feel like you can easily find this in other countries as well. But we got a bubble gun. It makes bubbles. And it's cute, and my cat actually likes it. My cat loves this. So we used to go and find like, you know, bubble liquids from different shops, but none of them would work in this like, you know, gun, and we always have to end up buying the whole kit, even though we don't need more guns, but still. So I bought another one, and like we haven't really like seen Minha's reaction to it. So let me know if you guys want to see a mini Instagram clip of that. Maybe I will record it the first time I, you know, introduce her to bubbles. And that's it. That's what we got from the Sunday like bazaar.
Itwar Bazaar
In Islamabad, and
near Kashmir Highway.
And
On
this
Kashmir
one.
Highway.
Okay, can you stop? Please let me talk. So this one.
But the address, man.
So
it's important.
I'll mention it in the intro. Asha. So this one, he didn't let me like, you know, like talk to them that much, but I was like recording the whole time because he was like, you know, it looks sketchy and everything, maybe they're not up for it, but I still did, and I'm glad I did, because when I talked to them, they told me if you want that and if you want to like, you know, shoot a video, we're all up for it. We have a shop in Sadr. You can go to that shop, and like, you know, वहाँ पे packets पड़े हुए हैं, मतलब कि they're not opened. So I was like, yay, let's like, you know, go and do that, because this was fun as well, and we found some pretty good. But this is the real thing. This is what everything is about. This is the mystery, and this is what, like, you know, is so fun. Okay, so in the shop, me and Talil, right, me and Talil went, and a friend of mine was recording. So what happened was that we asked permission if we could film there, and they said that yes, we can. We took 5 minutes each, and like I think it was 3 minutes. We took like around 3 to 5 minutes each, and we timed it, right? And like what we did was we had to pick out 5 items each, 5 parcels each, like, you know, in that time, and we had to get whatever we were holding in our hand. So this is all that we got, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna play another game, and we all 3 of us get 3 items each, okay? And what are we gonna give?
We're gonna guess
sorry.
what the items are inside the parcel.
We're gonna guess what's in the parcel. There are some descriptions written on it, and if you have ordered from AliExpress, you do know that sometimes when they send the parcel, uske upar, like, you know, slip likhi hoti, it doesn't always, like, you know, show what's really inside. Sometimes they do that to help you out with customs, because if it's a, like, you know,
Sketchy.
it is a sketchy place, but still it's like, you know, very beneficial sometimes.
Sketchy.
It's not sketchy. They're trying to help you, because everyone knows that customs, they don't have any single rule, right? But okay, they can charge you anything, and sometimes I ended up like, you know, and sometimes I end up like, you know, paying 500 charging 500 rupees for literally 20 rupees socks. So if they change the value on the packet, that basically essentially helps you. So we're not really sure if what it says on the parcel is, like, you know, true. we tried our best to like stay away from jewelry parcels because we noticed कि वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर jewelry parcels ही पड़े हुए थे, jewelry and like makeup parcels. We did not want to get makeup because mostly all the makeup on AliExpress is like fake. Stop doing that. Let me record. Let me talk.
क्या हुआ?
अच्छा scene ये है कि there's a parcel in here that didn't have anything written on it, ठीक है? And I wanted like to get a parcel like that. So it's let me just find that parcel. एक second ना. Okay. So can you stop doing that?
I'm getting bored.
Minha is like watching us so patiently. She's like such a good baby. Acha, scene ye ke there's a parcel here that doesn't have anything written on it. It doesn't say what's inside. So we're gonna keep this for the last, like, and then we just have like 9 parcels left. So what we're going to do right now is, like all 3 of us get to pick 3 parcels out, and we're gonna guess what's inside, and then open it and see who was right or who wasn't. So. Ready? Acha, so I have these 3 parcels. Who wants to go first? Because she has been like quiet the whole video. But she's like sitting like this. Acha, so okay. Okay, you go first. Okay? Then me. Then Kabhi khushi kabhi gham. Guess करो क्या है पहले. Don't read it. Don't read it. He is extra clingy today.
Because I want to keep these parcels.
You're not getting in my good box. Good box. Good.
I'm in your accident box.
No, you're not.
I'm in your paid box.
I think ये Sammy के
Baby.
I think ये Sammy के लिए काम आने वाला है.
What? You didn't guess what it is.
Like क्या guess किया?
अच्छा एक मिनट रुको. She didn't even guess what it is. She just went for it. अच्छा, the parcel says that it is a pet shirt. One pet shirt. Let's see what it is.
Oh.
Shut up.
Pet shirt ही है.
But it looks like something.
Like.
एक मिनट.
Sammy तेरे लिए कपड़े.
You know what I thought it was? I
मैंने कहा कि बच्चे के लिए कपड़े होंगे. अभी मैंने ये सोचा.
मुझे लगा था कि मतलब पेट को कपड़े.
मीना के लिए आशी.
Whoa.
This is so cute.
टिका.
फैजान ये मेरा था.
और तो पहने की.
Like मैं खाना था.
It's a dark like Khan. She barely even talks.
Like ugh.
Oh.
La, la, la.
Oh.
Sammy, it's for
पीछे.
you.
नहीं.
It's for a cat.
Like.
Maybe a dog. No, it's for.
Hi, Mel, you can use it on a dog, I guess.
नहीं.
It's not stretchable.
वो पीछे से teddy bear ले आओ उसको ना.
What teddy bear though?
नहीं.
वो छोटा है भाई.
हाँ तो.
अच्छा खैर, I'll go
You're
next.
into it.
I'll go next, and I have this parcel and अच्छा. I can't really make out what this is, लेकिन क्योंकि मुझे याद है कि हम लोग pick कर रहे थे तो I read something like baby cap. So I think हाँ ये वही है. हाँ it's a baby shower hat. But at least इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है कि baby shower hat है. Record हो रहा है. ठीक है. Good. Oh shit. We recorded a video and आधी ज़्यादा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुई थी. Shit. अच्छा. So I don't know what's inside. मतलब इसके ऊपर लिखा है baby shower cap and that's why I got it. अभी when I was holding it, feeling it around, तो मुझे याद आया कि like I was the one who held this parcel up. So let's open it and see what's inside. Linha, let's see if it's something for you. Hello, baby. एक second. एक minute. Let me open it though.
What the F is this, man?
नहीं, I think it is what I thought it was. उतनी caps होती हैं ताकि बच्चों की आंखों में shampoo और पानी ना जाए. Those caps that like I think it's that thing.
It is.
It is. See. But it's rubber. It's not even rubber. It's
हाँ तो
foam.
waterproof है ना. Waterproof foam is waterproof. Dumbass.
Like how am I supposed to put this on Minha?
Google it.
Wait.
You know what?
Let me tell you.
Wait, let's try and put it on you though.
You can have it. Oh.
Okay, so you put it on like.
Oh.
हाँ ठीक है.
Oh, yeah.
And you put it on like this and like push it down, ठीक है, and it has like different adjustments for it. That's good. So I'll see if this is of use because I kept seeing this on AliExpress and I wanted to order it and I used to see it on online pages as well. but I would never get around to it, and even if I did, मुझे wait करना पड़ता, so I got it anyways, and now I get to try it. It looks very cheap. It looks cheap, but it doesn't look like it would work. लेकिन देखते हैं. I'll like, you know, when I edit this, I'll enter if, like, you know, it worked.
Does it hurt?
बदतमीज हो रो रही है बार-बार इसका.
अच्छा, इसके ऊपर हाँ वॉल पेंटिंग लिखा हुआ है इसके ऊपर.
Wall painting. ऐसे हो सकती है wall painting. Why is it like, you know, squishy?
I don't know.
I hope we didn't ruin it.
Form.
Hello यार very है. Hi babush. Hello.
Oh, it is one. Wall painting ही है.
हाँ लेकिन कौन सी है? And that, so he was right. Fazan was right. There is a noodle inside.
Okay.
Okay, that
Wall
sucks.
painting
Oh,
है.
that sucks.
Frame बनाना like.
कौन
Fazan
order
से
करेगा
लाओ.
like seriously?
Why would I? Like, how many? Like, someone would order it. Like, I think they would maybe.
इसमें
How
price
was
लिखी है?
इतनी डाल ना लगता हो है ना? Because with pictures, you know, pictures are really good. But like, you see them and you're like, oh my god, this is such good quality. Like, it often comes off as very cheap quality, है ना? But someone would get this, but like, if it was more colored and maybe someone was glad that they didn't get this.
But you know what?
वैल्यू इसकी $1 है यार, तो अगर
Customs
सच्ची
for
मुझे इतना होगा
Okay,
तो
my turn.
Huh? $1
अच्छा,
is like
अच्छा.
shit for that. Okay, so we had to take a little break. I had to put my baby girl to sleep, and we're back now. So, let's get on. It's Salil's turn. So, अच्छा हाँ, we decided that we're not gonna, like, you know, guess what's inside, because me and Salil we were actually, like, you know, trying to like feel through, and we had an idea what would be inside. So it's not fair to him because he wasn't there and he didn't get to pick out these parcels. So yeah, let's like just open this one. This one actually says that it's like what, eyelashes. Whoa. So I did a video of like you know, with of eyelash extensions, like, you know, getting them, and like, you know, I did a video with this girl who does them, and she answered a few questions for us. So these are like individual lashes that you use for eyelash extensions.
Focus.
Like, हाँ, so हमारे काम की नहीं है ये, and we thought कि eyelash कौन सी होंगी अंदर बीच में? Mink. We thought कि, like, you know, regular eyelashes होंगी that we can, like, you know, wear for makeup looks and all, but that was a huge dud. These are of no use to me, so I'm gonna ask, like, you know, Aruba if she wants them, and if she does, I guess, like, she gets a steal. नहीं, you don't.
Mink है ये.
They're not mink at all. वही तो मसला है. My turn now, and this is the parcel. जिसका ये दोनों लड़ रहे थे कि I want what's inside, and they thought that it's an electric toothbrush. Because it says.
I'm gonna get that.
But it says toothbrush head on top of it, so I don't know what it is. Let's open up and see what it is. They were right! No, wait. Wait. They were right! दिखाती हूँ. It's a
ninja.
It's an electric toothbrush.
Wait. My lucky day.
हाँ, it is. It says vibrating motion. It's just bad. अच्छा, it says vibrating motion, deep cleaning and gum stimulator. So this is what the toothbrush looks like. It has like multiple attachments on it, like a round, a soft one, and a round one, and different ones. Just a second. Oh my god, sibling rivalry. Shit. सीन ये है कि they both guessed it right and they both wanted it so bad. They were like, अगर ये निकला तो I want it, and she was like, no, I want it. So
क्योंकि मेरे braces हैं.
हाँ, तो तुम्हारे ब्रेसेस की वजह से ब्रश खराब हो
ये
जाएगा.
braces के लिए अच्छा है.
अच्छा
braces
है.
के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता.
Stop.
Braces के लिए अच्छा है.
Okay.
ब्रेसेस के अलग होते हैं, ठीक है?
I'll order one of you, one myself.
हाँ ठीक है, तो ये ले लो तुम.
ठीक है ना? I'll order you one myself. ले लो. It's pink.
हाँ ले लो.
Let's open it.
It's a win-win situation.
हाँ, I guess so.
See.
But I'm gonna get you one as well.
दिखाओ,
But
दिखाओ.
seriously,
फैजान तुम ले लो please.
मैं दिखाओ एक मिनट.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
मैं तुम.
क्यों?
I don't want it.
Oh, you were fighting over
नहीं,
it
अब
a
तुम लोगे.
minute ago.
मैं मुझे लेके दो.
तुम्हारा birthday gift है मेरी तरफ से, तुम्हारी प्यारी बहन की तरफ से. Okay fine. अब मैं.
नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें seriously? और इसका bristles भी खराब हुए हुए हैं.
Yes.
अच्छा, we just put a battery in. Let's see if it works. How do you turn it on? It works. दिखा दे पता नहीं करो दिखा but it just vibrates like it doesn't move दिखा फायदा क्या फिर हाँ is that how electric toothbrushes are I've never used one
एक मिनट
इसको घूमना तो चाहिए था
हाँ
ऊपर से
it's just a vibrating one फायदा क्या बाकी but it just vibrates it doesn't like rotate or anything but I don't think it rotate करते भी हैं करते
हाँ करते हैं
I've never
ये
seen
बहुत
I never
cheap है यार,
seen
ये
बहुत cheap है
बंडेबल है काफी
रख दो तोड़ो नहीं इसको
like what do you expect I'm dead sure कि जिसने लिया होगा उसने भी like 200 rupees का ही लिया होगा you just use it on your nose
No.
you just use it on your nose
No.
it's my turn
it's your turn नहीं it's
नहीं.
Farzam's turn she's so eager to open the parcel
Okay. Shut up man. अच्छा
What's it? It says document
कहाँ पे
sorry नहीं it says नहीं just open it just open
अच्छा
it
फील बता दो
Just
ना
open
पहले फील मुझे आ रही है इतना वो नहीं होती एक्स्ट्रा जो हेयर की लिफ्ट होती है क्या कहते हैं कुछ
good extension wig
हाँ नहीं मुझे हेयर एक्सेसरीज कोई किस्म की लग रही है
अच्छा फाइन ओपन है
open it it says cat hairband
हाँ गिफ्ट का निशान हुआ
we're both wearing cat hairbands right now
हाँ
so you get one as well
हेड का हेड बैंड है
no way no I saw
do it सच मुझे आ गया
oh
क्या
yeah we already have this एक और kind है दूसरा वाला kind है
I don't know
एकदम ऊपर लाई थी लेकिन वहाँ से लेकर hairband
दिखाओ
लेके
एक मिनट।
because we already have this go get it
यार ये मुझे दे
like this is so cute is this we have the same one see it's like literally the same one but I think this is a smaller one है ना ये size में थोड़ा small I can
नहीं
use
तुम्हारे बड़े
this
करो
and then how gets this
and like
ये बड़ा है।
कान भी
नहीं
हाँ,
same
हाँ,
है
नहीं यानी
हाँ कान भी different है this one is better मतलब ये ज़्यादा cute है
Yeah.
और ये मिन्हा it goes to मिन्हा because it's smaller because अगर मेरे सर पे ये मुश्किल से आया था तो this won't come like on your head at all now it's your turn
तुम्हारे पास नहीं
yay
पर आप भाई नहीं
nice tell you क्या लिखा हुआ क्या लिखा हुआ
it's jewelry
it's jewelry
Jewelry.
यार बहुत ज़्यादा jewelry वाले थे we were trying कि बहुत flat packets थे we wanted कि कुछ अलग मिल जाए लेकिन it was all jewelry inside what is it what is jewelry
सॉक्स है
नहीं
नहीं socks है
नहीं
seriously socks it said jewelry on top
वो फरजा
Thanks, man. I appreciate you got something for my hairy feet.
he got it said jewelry on top
Yeah.
I didn't wait I have a jewelry one as well okay this one
फरजा
this one says jewelry too
इसके अंदर हो
क्या इसके अंदर क्यों होगा jewelry
Why should feel कर लेना dumbass?
Really, why would they double pack it like that? कभी तो मैं खुद जब मैं parcels receive किया थी express के वैसे होते Okay, so the parcel said this is what I meant कि parcel पे लिखा कुछ होता है और अंदर आता कुछ और है but we have another jewelry packet it says jewelry as well शायद maybe इसमें jewelry निकल आए and Telly was so confident about that packet she was feeling all the jewelry packets and was like यार मतलब कि मुझे कोई अच्छे वाला मिल जाए तो अच्छा है so
maybe वो
मगर
मेरा होगा
हाँ maybe this is the one that we felt because like they all look the same not all of them but these look the same
Socks?
You know what I feel like? I just seen it.
नहीं नहीं लेकिन तुमने कहा फिंगर चली पार्सल में वो पड़ा है लेके आओ वो पैकेट
It's the same socks from a completely different packet.
यार ये
I
तो
think ये हमारे साथ
अच्छी
कुछ
बात
हो
है
रहा
पता है मेरी दवा कबूल हो रही है मेरी चीजें मिल गई
these were same and these were also same
Yeah,
Then
I know.
these were same funny and this I
What a
ordered this
coincidence.
myself. That was a coincidence, but
नहीं,
look at that. दोनों
बात
jewelry
है ना?
packets में से ये निकला.
और दूसरा दिखा एड्रेस दिखा मुझे
हाँ address दिखा ना उनके packets का.
ब्राजील
Jewelry,
शिफ्टो
the jewelry packet वाला.
फ्लेबर एलपीडीओ
ये
Los
नहीं ये
Santos,
United
Pin,
Kingdom
Haley.
वाला
So this was that was shipped to United Kingdoms and that was shipped to Brazil.
ब्राजील
हाँ तो they're not even of the same address but apparently
द सेम कंपनी
wait
The
wait
same company?
इसका from
Yeah.
लिखा हुआ है ऊपर bomb
from भी same नहीं है.
same है same it's same
हाँ तो वो बस
Same
पूरे
address
कंटेनर गायब हो
from number
Oh damn. So guys, if you
Fast and
ordered,
Furious shit, man. Fast and
एक
Furious
बोल
shit.
दो. अच्छा, so guys, if you ordered from Car Park Kuwait Thai Road Kuwait Chang Hong Kong, if you ordered from that, your socks are probably over here in Pakistan. I'm sorry.
Oh, ये भी same address है.
Seriously?
हाँ, jewelry लिखा है ऊपर से.
Seriously?
हाँ, ये.
This one has jewelry, as well, but this can't be.
हाँ, लेकिन
This can't be socks.
It feels like something like
Hard.
हाँ, hard. यानी makeup accessory.
Let's see what's it.
Those two are duds. But if Azam gets them and like he might actually use those socks because they're like
Like pretty
अच्छी हैं,
good.
ठीक है,
हाँ.
हाँ अच्छी हैं.
नहीं,
But
the quality,
still,
the stuff is good.
still imagine like thinking that
Getting
you,
scammed.
हाँ, not scammed, but imagine like you thinking that you're gonna get jewelry, but inside it comes out to be. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता, मतलब normally ऐसा नहीं होता. If you
अच्छा,
order like jewelry,
हाँ,
AliExpress वाले आपको jewelry deliver करते हैं. Okay, let's open this.
तुम्हारी बारी.
नहीं तुम्हारी बारी है.
Okay. और address same
Fingers
है.
crossed. Fingers crossed.
Address same है.
नहीं है same.
Address same है, मैंने तुमको बताया. हांगकांग, चांगी पार्ट, कवाई, तांग.
It's the same address.
हाँ, और ये.
From address is the
हाँ,
same.
from address same है. बकाया
Shit.
ये ब्राजील में है और बंदा different है.
अच्छा, a different address to
Shipping
the
address जो है ना वो ब्राजील का है. और मैं शायद की बात सही हूँ. हो.
It's not jewelry again.
It is cosmetic है. Kissing.
Shut up. I'm
Beauty glaze.
gonna put that in.
Matte liquid lipstick.
This one.
You don't get to swatch that.
एक मिनट ना देखने तो दो. और ऊपर से nude color है.
And we were trying so hard to avoid makeup.
And how do I know that? Because पूरे घर में makeup पड़ा होता है nude
Really?
color.
ये देखो इसका भी सेम एड्रेस है एंड इसका और इसका सेम एड्रेस है.
हर जगह का same है.
Wait, what?
तो sides बार पूरे करने होते हैं ना.
No, but this is a realization. So we just noticed. So
same address.
So we basically just noticed that most of these parcels, like even though we all picked different parcels, most of them are from the same person.
The shipper
Same
is the
address.
same.
They're all from the same shipper. They're all from the same seller. So that means that a seller might have like gone out of business or something. Yeah, like I don't know what that means, but basically all of the parcels that were sent from that seller.
Out of business नहीं हो सकते.
They found
basically they have a shipping address to ship to.
हाँ मतलब maybe they were like clearing.
So ना clearing out
maybe-
नहीं. It's not possible. Like कहीं आगे
मीना
पीछे
की आवाज़ है?
हाँ मिस हो गया सब होता है.
So we were avoiding cosmetics because like it said that the cosmetics on AliExpress is like fake and stuff and it's not safe. But like this lip gloss, this is a really gorgeous color by the way. I'm just gonna swatch it over here.
It's pretty good.
The color is good. It smells like chocolates. It smells like chocolates,
Good,
honestly.
fine.
But I'm pretty sure that the formula is really bad. Like it's gonna get really tacky and stuff later on. It's not good. I wouldn't like. I honestly wouldn't like wear it on my mouth or something. You will.
सस्ते लोग.
It's your funeral. Seriously. अच्छा.
और कुछ पड़ा?
नहीं. Let's just please get to the last one. अच्छा. For the last one. एक मिनट.
Let me feel
Oh
it.
my god.
Let me feel it.
अच्छा एक मिनट. Please
अच्छा
क्या?
बात
Please
सुन.
क्या?
मुझे ओपन करना.
अरे ठीक है
नहीं,
तुम
एक
open
मिनट,
कर. Oh my god.
एक बात सुन. हम तीनों गैस करते हैं क्या चीज़ है. ठीक है.
Exactly.
मैं गैस करती हूँ ये आई शेडो किट है.
अच्छा. तुम बताओ.
मैंने-
Please let me open this.
Like आई शेडो के यानी पैलेट.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ मैंने भी पैलेट गैस किया था पहले.
अच्छा.
अच्छा इसके ऊपर लिखा है.
एक मिनट. एक मिनट. This last one. This is why I put this one to the side because this says necessary.
Necessary.
It doesn't say anything. But maybe if it does end up being a palette, maybe the palette's name is necessary. But right now, like it is something hard inside, and we don't know what it is. So Talia wants to open it. So here you go. Oh my god! अल्लाह करे कुछ अच्छा निकले वैसे यार.
मैं खोल दूँगा. पैलेट है.
Is it a palette?
पैलेट है.
Well, it looks like a palette up till now. It's the
It's
box.
a
It's a
box.
black box.
पैलेट है.
Open it up.
Whoa.
Shit.
पैलेट है ना.
It's a palette, but it's not an eyeshadow palette though.
And it's
It's cheap.
It's cheap.
It's a concealer palette with color correctors, and it's cheap. It's those like, you know, fake ones that you see. It doesn't have a name on it or anything. He just touched it and it was waxy. So we're never gonna use this again. Maybe Talib would use.
No.
बोले ना मुझे.
सस्ती दलील. Expensive चीज़ है.
बस करो. अच्छा, so we're not gonna use this because this is of no use to me or Tahleel. Tahleel might use that, like, you know, liquid lipstick.
छोटे यार तो लोग.
Farzam is definitely gonna use the socks. I might give these if these are of any value to Aruba, because, like, you know, she is an eyelash technician, and I, like, you know, she's the same person I did that eyelash technician's video with. So you can check that video up here somewhere. So yeah, these are gonna go to her. The headband is gonna go to my daughter because, like, it's a really good size for her, I believe. And what else did we get?
Oh, the phone we got.
No, we didn't get a phone. Shote na ho to. He got a new phone. We got a toothbrush, and a toothbrush is going to Farzam, but I don't think he's gonna use it because honestly it's really cheap. So, and it's honestly just a vibrating toothbrush. Why would you use that?
Like,
but I haven't
like these type of things. Like,
okay, so we've never really used, like, you know, electric toothbrushes, so we don't know if this is how they actually are, but we do know that it's really cheap. So he's never gonna use it. That was a dud. That's not gonna be of any use to us. But yeah, this was fun. Yeah. And this painting
is something that I will.
You know,
we might do,
use
we're gonna DIY it or like do something with it.
इसके ऊपर छोटी-छोटी pictures लगा के और इसको frame करा सकते हैं.
So aside from that, the things that we got from the other parcel that we actually got to see, I would say that, like, you know, if you want to go for a mystery or if you're a YouTuber, like, you know, you should definitely go to the second shop and, like, you know, get the packed parcels if they still have them. But if you want some, like, you know, some kind of value for your money, go to the Islamabad one. Like, it's there every Sunday. Go to stall F086 and just, like, you know, go through the things and try and bargain your way out, because, like, you can get stuff that you see on AliExpress that you might like right there and then, and you might not have to wait for it. You might catch a bargain, so that's good. We got some really useful stuff out of this because, like, you know, we actually saw what we were getting. So in the end, I would say that my experience was better at the Islamabad like stall, just because I actually knew what I was getting, and I was getting new stuff for, like, really cheap prices, and I had the opportunity to bargain with them and, like, you know, actually get stuff for a cheaper price. They were, like, you know, when the parcels were closed, they were selling the parcels off for 200 rupees each, and it was your luck what would come inside them or not. But when the items were, like, you know, out in the open, they could see what, like, you know, things were of value and what weren't. So they had different prices this time. So obviously, like, you know, more expensive things like speakers and you know, ashtrays, like the electronic ashtray that my brother apparently wanted to get, were, like, you know, they were trying to charge us like 800 rupees, 900 rupees, 600 rupees for that. But on the plus side, we were able to, like I said, bargain with them. So we got items that according to them were worth 2600 rupees. After bargaining, we got those items for only 1600 rupees. So that was a huge steal. And comparing this to the Sadr Rawalpindi, the closed parcels experience, I mean, I got one hairband, one concealer palette that I will never use, one matte lip gloss, which was a pretty color but I will never use, a really washed out painting that I probably will never use, or maybe I will, like, you know, maybe I will just trash it or use it in a DIY or something. 2 socks that I paid 200 rupees for each in 2 separate parcels, and like a baby bathing cap kind of a thing. So out of all of those items, there may be only 3 or 2 items that I actually might use, but then again, I paid 200 rupees for a pair of socks. Actually 2 pairs of socks, so that's 400 rupees. It's your call if you want to go for it. It can be fun for you if you have some money to spare, or if you're a YouTuber, you can go for it as well. But I feel like
we being bloggers and YouTubers are doing this stuff, yes, for entertainment, but also so you guys don't have to. And I would not recommend you to go and do this. It's a waste of money. But the interesting part happened during the haul when we ended up with 2 parcels that were shipped off to 2 different countries, and both of them said jewelry on top of it, but inside there were socks of the same exact color, the same exact type of socks, the same exact everything, to be honest. And that got us thinking a bit. So we checked the addresses of the parcels and found that one parcel was sent to America and one parcel was sent to Brazil. And then we found out that both the parcels were sent by the same seller. Then we checked all the packets and we found out that all of the packets, like mostly all of the packets that we had, were from the same seller. So what I gathered from that is, I don't know what I should think. What I do know is that the parcels had to have come from one location, and from my understanding that one location has to be Hong Kong, or like basically saying that the location had to be from wherever the seller was. I want to know what you guys, so please do comment below what your theory is, because honestly speaking there isn't really anyone available to, you know, answer these questions for us. The customs people have their number is always off, so they can't answer anything for us, which by the way is the most sketchy part of this video, because I don't know why they would do that, because like, you know, we as the nation, as the people of this country, have a right to know what the policies are for customs and what we like, you know, what is our right and what we are supposed to pay and what we're not supposed to pay. In the end, this is how it is. That's the major mystery of it all. That's the major conspiracy of it all. Will we ever find answers? I hope so. Anyways, that's it for the video. If you liked it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like best and what you think was the best item in the haul, or if you would try it yourself. And share this video with your friends to help and support your girl. Thank you guys for watching, and Allah Hafiz.
Peace out.
Bye.